Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the right side ice door spring in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new right ice door spring. This ice door spring is located at the top of the dispenser under the ice door on the right. It keeps the ice door closed in the normal position. The main reason why the ice door spring would need to be replaced is if it's broken and the ice door stays open all the time, causing ice to freeze at the bottom of the ice container. To get the job done, we need to remove the whole dispenser assembly. I'm going to use the putty knife, and I'm going to start from the bottom carefully. Don't, get excited. Also, if you break one or two clips on the way, that's also okay. It has so many, and it's going to be functional again. This also could be taken away. All right, and it comes out. Turn it over. Now we're going to disconnect the plugs. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to replace the right side spring. I'm going to slightly open that ice door. Going to pull out the spring from this channel at the bottom. Release it in. I'm going to slide it out of that little hinge here, plastic hinge. And I'm going to release the top carefully, like this. That's the old spring. This is the old right ice door spring next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is our new spring, and it goes on this hinge here on the side. I'm going to bend this short portion and slide it onto the plastic hinge. I release this end, goes into the groove, and then I'm going to place this end of the spring into this channel. Bend it slightly and release it. Try it. All right, gonna turn it over, and we're gonna connect these plugs. Turn it over, and I'm going to position it into the cutout. And press it in so it will lock. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.